Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unmute notifications from people who haven't confirmed their phone number on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've noticed that you're missing replies, mentions, or new interactions, this simple setting might be the reason. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. When your Notifications page opens, head over to the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where you can control how and from whom you receive alerts. We'll find a few sections here. But the one we're focusing on is called Filters. Click on Filters, and then select Muted Notifications. This menu lets you decide which types of notifications X blocks by default. Many users don't realize that X can automatically mute notifications from accounts that have not confirmed their phone number to help reduce spam. However, this can also block genuine interactions from real people who haven't added a phone number to their account. Inside the muted notifications list, look for the option labeled "Who haven't confirmed their phone number." If that box is checked, it means notifications from those users are being muted. All you need to do is uncheck it. After you uncheck that option, your settings will update automatically. You won't need to restart the app or reload the page. From now on, you'll start seeing notifications from everyone, even those who haven't verified their phone number. That's it! You've successfully unmuted notifications from users who haven't confirmed their phone on X. This small adjustment ensures you never miss an interaction that matters. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issue. And keep exploring more settings to customize your X experience exactly how you like it.